Why sync your calendars?
Managing multiple calendars can get overwhelming. Juggling work events, personal appointments, and shared family plans often leads to double booking or missed commitments. By syncing all your calendars into one dashboard, you gain a clear, unified view of your schedule. This simple change helps you save time, stay organized, and reduce the stress of switching between apps or platforms.
Gather your calendar accounts.
Start by listing every calendar you use. Most people have separate work, personal, and shared calendars across platforms, like Google Calendar, Outlook, or Apple Calendar. Take a moment to identify which accounts are essential for your day-to-day life. Knowing where your events are stored ensures nothing important slips through the cracks during setup.
Choose a main calendar platform.
Pick one calendar app as your central dashboard. Popular choices include Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, or Apple Calendar. Select the one you use most. This will be the hub where all your events appear. Make sure your chosen app supports calendar integration, so you can easily connect your other accounts without hassle.
Integrate your other calendars.
Find the Add Account or Subscribe feature in your main calendar app. For Google Calendar, use the Add Calendar option to sync with Outlook or Apple. In Outlook or Apple Calendar, look for similar settings under Accounts. You may need your login credentials or a shareable calendar link to complete the connection and pull in events automatically.
Customize and optimize your view.
Tweak your settings for maximum clarity. Assign unique colors to each integrated calendar so work, personal, and shared events stand out at a glance. Adjust notification preferences to avoid overload. Regularly review your calendar dashboard to ensure all accounts are syncing. With everything in one place, you'll have a better handle on your schedule every day.